I have been using the Mi Band 3 for quite a while now to track my heart rate, my sleeping pattern and more. The Mi Band 3 brings a lot of new improvements and changes. But before we get started, how about to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now you have done that, let's get started. The beautiful curved design to the main body, and even with the display off, it looks gorgeous. The only thing I found a little difficult to do on the Mi Band 3 is remove the tracker from the band itself. It's a non-issue really, but it just feels a little scary to do. I don't know if it's the curved glass panel on the tracker or a band that's tighter than usual. However, popping it out back to front is easier. The strap itself is made of silicone, quite flexible and strong, and we found it comfortable to wear even when sweating, and it looks particularly stylish. You have also got the choice of 3 different bands for the Mi Band 3. You can get the strap in orange, dark blue and black. It is also water resistant. You can take the Mi Band 3 swimming or into the shower, as it's also waterproof to 50 meters, which is really impressive. So if you are working out or you are using it in the rain, or even if you are taking it out for a light swim, it should hold up fine. Overall, as far as the design and build are concerned, the Mi Band 3 is definitely above the upgrade. I mean, it looks good, it's lightweight and comfortable to wear. It's water resistant and it's got a touch screen. Talking about the display, it's a 0.78-inch OLED display and it's pretty good. The display here is brighter as well, by a considerable margin as compared to the one you would find on the Mi Band 2. In terms of fitness features, the Mi Band 3 comes with everything you would expect from a fitness tracker in this price. The band can count the number of steps you have taken, the distance you have walked, and the amount of calories you have burnt. Here is also sleep tracking and heart rate tracking, which now has some additional features like the ability to set heart rate measurement to a specific time interval, which was missing in the Mi Band 2. So I set it to 1 minute and here is how it looks. Do keep in mind that this does drain your battery a lot. There is also the sleep data, which again is pretty much the same as it has been. The data is divided into 3 different regions: deep sleep, light sleep and awake. Along with all of that, the app shows an analysis of your sleeping patterns and even makes suggestions on how to form better sleeping habits that will be helpful. Other than the fitness-oriented features, the Mi Band 3 brings some pretty great additional features as well. There is a stopwatch built in on the Mi Band 3, which you can activate from the More menu inside the Mi Band 3. This can come in very handy. The Mi Band 3 handles notification a lot better than the Mi Band 2 ever did. If you are getting a call, the Mi Band 3 not only displays that a call is incoming, it will also let you press and hold down the button to reject the call. In case of messages, the Mi Band 3 now lets you view the content of the notifications as well. The band supports a maximum of 5 notifications and can show a maximum of 3 pages per notification. You can also press and hold the button to clear the notifications from the Mi Band 3. There are watch faces. Mi Band 3 has 3 faces instead of 2 like in the Mi Band 2, and you can now change the faces directly from the band itself. Now let's talk about battery. While Xiaomi claims a battery life of 20 days with the Mi Band 3, that's under lab testing conditions, and with manual heart rate tracking in my personal usage, I had set the heart rate measurements to every 10 minutes through the day. That obviously drains quite a lot of battery, and Xiaomi warned me about it when I first enabled it. But even with that, the Mi Band 3 lasted an easy 10 days. So that was the Mi Band 3 review, and needless to say, it's another winner from Xiaomi. No doubts about that. But what do you think about the Mi Band 3? Let us know in the comment section below. Also give this video a like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.